Hi guys, it's Prince Yul again. So today we'll be talking about a different app. Have you ever tried to buy foreign stocks? Yeah, a stock is a part of a company. A stock is a group of shares and it becomes a stock. So it's a part of a company, a portion of a company that you're buying. So have you ever tried to buy a foreign stock? It's quite difficult, but there are apps that have made it easier. So today we'll be talking about one of the app that has made it easier for you to buy foreign stock, and the app we're talking about today is going to be Bamboo app. Yeah, that's the solution. But Bamboo, I'm not talking about the plants, I'm talking about the app. So with Bamboo you can buy foreign stock in Tesla, Amazon and other companies abroad. You can also buy ETFs, that's exchange traded funds for companies abroad. So the Bamboo app is the user interface is very easy, is very nice and easy to use. You see the home, this is the home where you see your portfolio, you see the stocks you have, you even have the top mover parts, that you have the top movers for the day. That's the people that have the highest increment of the day, the company. And if you scroll or you swipe to the left or to the right, you swipe, you see the top losers for the day. Those are the people that have gone down the lowest in that day. And you can see stock of the month still on the home page. You see featured stocks, see Apple stock, Amazon, Disney, Energy Transfer company, I don't know which company is that. And you also find recent news on the Bamboo app, so it's actually really interesting. You can also have there's also a watch list button. So here you can add stocks to your watch list. Stock that you probably, if you're a day trader, if you're not someone that actually holds for long, you add a stock here and you'll be watching it, finding the increment, decrement, so you'll be able to monitor it. And it also, the Bamboo app also has this feature, this incredible feature that I'm not sure other platform has, the learn feature, where you can actually learn how to know about stocks and other things here about the Bamboo app. You can, how do I buy stocks, how do I sell my stocks on Bamboo, when do the US exchanges open and close. You can find information about this in the learn tab. And yeah, before you buy any stock, don't forget that before you buy any stock, do your research in the company. Don't just buy out of, oh, I'm buying the trend that is going up or down. Don't just buy the dip because everyone's saying buy the dip. The dip might be the last dip or might go deeper. So always carry out your research. So now for the addition of money, you're going to add money on Bamboo. It's pretty easy. You go to the tab of, you click on deposit money, and when you click on deposit money, you type in the amount you want to deposit. And if you scroll with me, or you see, there are two options. Instant, as you pay a fee of minimum of $1, maximum of $10, or you pick a free option, which I'm going to pick now. That is free. That's you get your deposit between 1 and 2 days. So after clicking that, there's few more options to pay. You can pay using your normal debit card, you can pay using your dollar card, you can pay bank transfer and other options here. And each option, why I like them, they have that duration and their fees for the individual methods that you're paying with, which is actually good. And the good thing about this is when you type in your value in dollars that you want to deposit, it shows the value in naira, so you shouldn't be expecting something different. So that's a summary of how the Bamboo app works. Very easy to use, has classes of stocks, very easy. So start using Bamboo today to trade. And also on the Bamboo app, if you refer a friend, you get 2.5% of the person's first transaction. That is first deposit and buy the stock. You get 2.5% of fee. So if the person buys stock worth $1,000, you're going to get 2.5, that's $25. It's small, but it's a good amount of money. So you see my link in the description below. Goodbye, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.